थैंक यू पापा खाई थी हम खाली बोले थैंक यू पापा बोल थैंक यू पापा पापा ये चिन्नी दस्ता पापा पापा थैंक यू पापा थैंक यू
हसीना
थैंक यू पापा मिलो कॉल ले ले थैंक यू पापा बोले ना थैंक यू पापा
बोल
बोले ना थैंक यू पापा बोली ना थैंक यू पापा थैंक यू पापा थैंक यू पापा
ऐसे
थैंक यू पापा for tea थैंक यू for tea
Children show me in their playful smiles the divine in everyone. These children are a reminder of the preciousness of all life, especially young lives untouched by hatred, prejudice, and greed. Now when the world is so confused and its problems so complicated, we need our children more than ever. The mission of Heal the World, my mission, is healing, pure and simple. To heal the world, we must start by healing our children. Being with them connects us to the deep wisdom of life. This simple goodness shines straight from their hearts.